Hello traders, I am recommending almost 10 stocks for next 2 weeks. These these stocks can be used as swing trading. The first stock I am recommending is Kotak Bank. In the 1 day time frame, we can check it has hitting the support multiple times and it is in the same range for many days. We can initiate a buy above 1745 with the first target of 1724, and the stop loss can be on the support line, or we can initiate a buy when the stock comes to the support line. We can initiate a buy. And the second stock I am recommending is IndusInd Bank. This we will check in one weekly time frame. This also, all these private banks are in the same range for many days. For this bank we can initiate a buy about 1021 with the first target of 1118, and the second target will be 1235 with a stop loss of 1000. That means on the support line we can keep the stop loss. And this stock I have recommended almost 2 days back also, like 1 week back also. This can be used as a swing trading also. And the third stock is IRCTC. Yeah. Previously, before 1 week I have given a buy recommendation on this stock. This who has traded almost means I means um, I got almost 30,000 profit on this stock. And now also we can initiate a buy about 2080 with the target one of 2123, and the second target will be 2182. The stop loss will be this trend line. This trend line we can keep the stop loss like 2053, or the trend line we can keep the stop loss. And the next stock I'm recommending is Bharati Airtel. This stock we can check in 1 day time frame. Yeah, this also it has on the support line for many days. It is on the support line only. We can initiate a buy above 535 with the target one of this support line, this resistance line, this trend line, and the next target will be this high like 574. We can keep the stop loss will be same 529 on the same trend, this trend, and the support line we can keep the stop loss. And the next stock is Hero MotoCorp. In the day time frame, this also it has been on this hitting this support multiple times. That means we that too some good positive news are coming, like Hero MotoCorp is on the electric vehicle segment. That is to some country it is delivering so many bikes, and we can initiate a buy about 2950 with the target run of 3000, and the second target will be 3076. These are all the stocks I am recommending as a swing trading only, not 1 or 2 days. Like swing trading we can use. Yeah, this the next stock is Bajaj Finance. This stock I'm looking in one hour time frame. Like once this triangle pattern is broken, like anyway, like downside or upside, we can initiate a buy. That too we can keep a stop loss on this trend line. Once the only 15 minutes candle is broken this trend line, we can keep a stop loss on this trend line, and we can sell or buy. Please check in only 1 hour time frame. And the next stock I am recommending is DLF. um, yeah, this also the same concept. It is it is hitting multiple times the same trend line, and it is not going downwards. We can the first there we can initiate a buy about 296 with the first target of like 301, like 301 or 302. The second target will be this support line like until 322 or 323 with a stop loss of, it is very stop loss of 290. All the stocks I'm recommending is very little stop loss, because all the stocks what I am telling, these are on the support line only. The next stock I'm recommending is TCS. um, This stock we can buy only when a 15 minutes candle broken this support line or the trend line, and uh, the stop loss will be on the like this 15 minutes candle low. We can keep the stop loss and the target will be open. um, yeah, these are the next stock. Okay, next stock will be SBI Life. This we can check on weekly time frame. Yeah, see this stock is hitting multiple times the resistance line. It is not breaking this trend line. We can initiate a buy above 1020 with the target is open, and the stop loss will be 1000. With 20 rupees stop loss we can keep, and the target will be open. We can initiate a buy only when any day candle closes this support line. Then also we can take a good position. Then the target will be very huge, because from many days it is not crossing this 1000. Once this uh, once this crosses, we can get good targets. And the next stock is M&M Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. This also the same concept. See, multiple times it is on the support line or the trend line. Once this is a low, very small stock, it is better we can buy only when this support line or the trend line is broken. When this line is broken, we can initiate a buy with a good targets. And the next target is Amar Raja. This also I recommended 1 week back. This also in the same range it is. We can initiate a buy now itself, like on the Monday or Tuesday we can initiate a buy. And until it didn't broken this support line, we can give this stock can give good targets up to this 800 or 850. We can get the targets. And next stock I'm recommending is MGL, Mahanagar Gas. See, multiple times it has hitting the resistance and support, resistance support. This will go here, here also again, and that means we can initiate a buy when it touches this support line and any candle closes in green. In green, the next day or next day candle, if it closes in green, we can initiate a buy. This is good for swing trading. Don't buy tomorrow, like on Monday or Tuesday, only when it touches this support line, and when any other day if it closes like any green candle closes, we can initiate a buy, and the stop loss will be this support line. That's it guys. I have recommended almost 10 stocks. Please take the please write down the stocks and initiate by only at uh, my levels. Thank you.